Hello, everybody. I'm experimenting lettuce. Yes. I saw this video on Nonna Grace's channel and I was excited to try it out myself. She said she saw it on another gentleman's channel, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and she decided to do the same. And his came out with roots, she says, but hers doesn't show any roots. So I decided to cut off my romaine lettuce that I bought from the store, and I cut off the bottoms, and there you go. There is the bottoms. And look at it. I'm so shocked and surprised how little tiny leaves are growing, but I don't see any roots yet. And I am changing the water every single day. I know you can change it every 2 days, but I decided to change it every day. And look at this, little things growing here. See that? Those little things are growing out of the bottom of the lettuce. Now, if I get roots out of this, I'll be so happy to plant them outside when summer comes. Don't mind my ugly finger. I don't know, I get these dried little things, and because I chop with my fingers garlic, I get these things, and now I get like little pieces of, I don't know, I think it's the acid that does that to your fingers. And so far so good. I don't see any roots. I want to pick one out, and there's no roots on it, at least not yet. Hopefully there will be roots one day, hopefully. So yes, I will keep you updated week by week, the progress, and I will let you know if it rooted or not. So this is, I believe, okay, I did it on Saturday evening. So Sunday, Monday, today is Tuesday. So 3 days and I already have these little things of the lettuce popping out. And I will be back to give you another update. All right, so we are in week 1, I guess. It's 7 days later, or probably 5 days. And you can see the difference from this romaine lettuce. And it's nice and tall, and it's just growing. I keep on changing the water almost every day, but I don't see any roots, so I don't know how this is going to work. I hope I get roots, at least one of them. I have 3 of them, and you can see this third one is not quite as good as these 2. So that one is kind of weird. It's not even growing that much. It's just little tiny bent ones. I think I'm going to take this one and discard this one since it's not doing much. But these 2 will remain there. And yeah, that's the update after 6 to 7 days. Okay, so this is the second week and it is taller, but I think I'm gonna have to put them individual, or I don't know what to do, because I took out the one that barely had no growth, like I said, and there's like tiny ones on the side. I'm waiting for it to root, but I don't know if it will root. And Nonna Grace one said that one of them rooted, but mine's still not rooting. So I will still wait another week. Somebody broke my lettuce. Oh my gosh. Yes, so that's the update for my romaine lettuce. All right, so again, this is a week later. So this one is, let me see, 2 weeks, a little past 2 weeks, and it has grown taller, but it's tilting. The leaves are tilting. And what I've noticed is that it's kind of getting a little mushy on the sides, like it's getting a bit rotten. Never mind about this one. This is just an onion that I bought. I was cooking this, I just throw it in there. Yeah, it grows new shoots. So there is no roots on this so far. So every single day I change the water. And when I grab it, well, hold on, people. I believe I see a root. Finally, I think that's a little root right there. That little white thingy there. I can't even grab it with one hand. Right here. Yes, it is a root. It's a root, guys. It's a tiny root. Guys, I have not been taking it up and looking at it. But yes, it does root. Thanks to Nonna Grace's channel that I saw this. Apparently she saw it from another channel, which I cannot remember. Yeah, and it is amazing. 2 weeks later, and I got one little root on one of them. I don't want to check the other one because I'm afraid to... Oh, guys, this one also has a root. I'm trying to stay still. That one also has a root. So they both have a root. Yay, it worked. Yes. And we can put it in the soil. I don't know if it will do anything by putting it in the soil, but hey, I will put it in the soil, see what happens. For now, in a pot, because it's just still cold out there. Yeah, so I can't wait to put it in a pot and wait until it's warmer so I can just put it on soil outside and see what happens. And I will give you an update if it grew or not or did anything. If it didn't do nothing, well, I will still give you an update. All right, my friends. So yes, a lettuce can be rooted. The lettuce bottom parts can be rooted so far, I see. Thank you, Nonna Grace. Nonna Grace's channel, I love her channel. She talks about her every day. She has chickens, and I enjoy listening to her chats. And yes, visit her channel. I'll leave her information in the description below. So my friends, that is it for the romaine lettuce. I guess the same thing goes for any other lettuce that I bought this from the store and I just cut the bottom part and that's it. And every day I change the water. And there you go. I got a root in each one. So my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.